Maximizing your tax savings. Essential deductions for small business owners. As a small business owner, it's important to take advantage of all available tax deductions to help reduce your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. But with so many different deductions available, it can be overwhelming to figure out which ones apply to your business. In this video, we'll go over some of the most common tax deductions that every small business owner should know about. Home office deduction. If you run your business from a home office, you may be able to deduct a portion of your home expenses, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and utilities, as a business expense. To qualify for this deduction, you must use a portion of your home exclusively for business purposes and regularly use that space as your principal place of business. Business vehicle expenses. If you use a vehicle for business purposes, you may be able to deduct the expenses associated with that vehicle, such as gas, oil changes, repairs, and insurance. You can either deduct the actual expenses or use the standard mileage rate to calculate your deduction. Travel expenses. If you travel for business purposes, you may be able to deduct expenses such as airfare, lodging, meals, and transportation. To qualify for this deduction, the travel must be primarily for business purposes, and you must have documentation to support your expenses. Office supplies and equipment. You can deduct the cost of supplies and equipment that you use in your business, such as computers, printers, and office furniture. Depending on the cost of the item, you may be able to deduct the entire amount in the year it was purchased or depreciate it over several years. Employee expenses. You can deduct the cost of employee expenses such as wages, salaries, and benefits, as well as the cost of hiring and training employees. You can also deduct expenses related to independent contractors and freelancers. Advertising and marketing expenses. You can deduct expenses related to advertising and marketing your business, such as website design and maintenance, print and online advertising, and promotional materials. Professional services. You can deduct the cost of professional services such as legal and accounting fees that are necessary for your business. These are just a few of the many tax deductions available to small business owners. To make sure you're taking advantage of all the deductions available to you, it's important to work with a knowledgeable tax professional and keep detailed records of your business expenses. By doing so, you can help minimize your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Thanks for watching. If you need help with any of your accounting, bookkeeping, or taxes, check us out at www.yourbusinessaccountant.com.